cheese.
Hello, what's up guys? It's me, Chris Gaming. It's been a while since my last time I recorded this kind of videos, but you know, in today's video I'm going to play It's Raining Tacos. You know guys, really love this to hear this kind of song. I'm just gonna do this because I don't want my channel to die. So I guess let's get started. I'll try to all perfect this. Okay, this is my first try.
Stupid taco song!
Here we go, guys.
Where is it coming from? I don't care, man. It's driving me crazy. I'm deleting all
Okay, on my first try. Okay, it is just my first try. So, okay, guys. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this very short video clip of me playing Raining Tacos. So, yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. So, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye, guys.